So if a unit vector a bar makes angle pi by 3 with I, pi by 4 with z, and an acute angle theta with k, then find the theta and hence components of the vector a bar here. Okay. So here I is a unit vector along x axis here, j is a unit vector along y axis, k is a unit vector along z axis here, and here a bar is also unit vector they given here. A bar is also it is a unit vector here. Okay. Here they given here angle between the vector a bar with I is pi by 3. This angle is pi by 3. Then pi by 4 with z. Okay, this angle. This angle is pi by 4 here. This is pi by 4. And theta with k. This angle is theta. Theta with k. Then find the angle theta. Okay. Therefore, here these are directional angles here. These are directional angles. So alpha is equal to pi by 3. And beta is equal to pi by 4. And gamma is equal to theta. These are the directional angles here. Then we know that L square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1 here. That is cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1 here. Here L and are the direction cosines here. L is cos alpha, M is cos beta, N is cos gamma here. Okay. Therefore, this is equal to cos square alpha value is pi by 3 here. So right here pi upon 3 plus. Then cos square beta is pi by 4. Then plus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 here. Is equal to 1. And cos of pi by 3 value is 1 by 2. So 1 upon 2 it's a square here. Then plus cos of pi by 4 value is 1 upon root 2 here. So 1 by root 2 square plus. Then cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 here. Is equal to 1. Then 1 upon 2 square is 1 upon 4 here. 1 upon 4 plus 1 by root 2 square is 1 upon 2 plus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 here. Take 1 upon 4 and 1 by 2 right hand side here. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus of 1 upon 4 minus of 1 divided by 2. Take 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 right hand side here. LCM is how much here? LCM is 4. 4 is the LCM. So 1 4s are 4 here. Minus of 4 1s are 4. Minus of 2 2s are 4 here. Minus 1 minus 2 is a minus 3 here. 4 minus 3 gives 1. So 1 divided by 4 here. Cos square theta is equal to 1 by 4. Hence cos of theta is equal to 1. Therefore cos of theta is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, cos square theta is 1 by 4 here. Cos theta is 1 upon 2. Hence theta is equal to pi by 3 here. Means 60 degree. So theta is equal to pi divided by 3 here. Okay. So here theta value is pi by 3 here. So theta is pi by 3. Hence L is equal to cos of alpha here. Cos alpha value pi by 3. Therefore this is equal to 1 upon 2 here. Okay. And cos of beta here m is equal to cos of pi by 4. Cos of pi by 4 is 1 divided by root 2 here. and gamma is pi by 3 here. Therefore, so n is equal to cos of pi upon 3. Its value is 1 divided by 12. Okay, and here a bar is a unit vector here. So since a bar is a unit vector, it is a unit vector here. Therefore, you know, a bar is equal to L into I plus M into Z plus N into K. Okay, here this always represents a unit vector here. L I plus M Z plus N K always represents a unit vector. Hence 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 into I, then plus 1 by root 2 here. 1 divided by root 2 into Z plus and N is 1 upon 2 here. 1 by 2 into K. Therefore, this is a required unit vector. You can verify whether it is a unit vector or not here. That observe here. If you take your modulus here, modulus of root 1 by 2 square here. 1 by 2 square plus 1 by root 2 square. 1 upon root 2 square plus and 1 by 2 square here. So 1 upon 2 it's a square. Okay. Therefore this equal to root of 1 by 2 square is 1 upon 4. 1 by root 2 square is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 square is 1 upon 4 here. And so root of 4 LCM here. 4 is LCM. 4 ones are 4. Right here 4. Sorry 1. 2 2s are 4. Right here 2 plus 4 ones are 4. Right here 1. 2 plus 1 becomes 4. So 4 and 4 cancels here. Remaining is what here? 1. Yes, modulus of a bar is 1. And obviously it is what here? It is a unit vector here. Therefore, Li plus Mz plus Nk always represents a unit vector here. So remember it here. Let the vectors of a bar, b bar, c bar keep be given as a1i plus a2z plus a3k, b1i plus b2z plus b3k, c1i plus c2z plus c3k. Then show that a bar cross b bar plus c bar is equal to a bar cross b bar plus a bar cross c bar here. Okay, take care of the solution. So here a bar is a a1i plus a2z plus a3k, and a b bar is a b1i plus a b2z plus a b3k, and your c bar is a c1i plus c2z plus c3k. They already given here. But find your b bar plus c bar here. Okay, as the vector b bar plus c bar is equal to sum of these vectors here. So we can write here b1 plus c1 I plus then the b2 plus c2 into z plus then b3 plus c3 into k. Okay, b bar plus c bar. Next a bar cross b bar plus c bar here. So a bar cross of b bar plus c bar, that is equal to, so determinant of, okay, so right here I, j and k. A bar is this vector here, so right here a1, a2 and a3 here, and b bar plus c bar is this vector here, so b1 c1, b1 plus c1, b2 plus c2 here, b2 plus c2, then b3 plus c3, b3 plus c3 here. Okay, Now you expand this determinant here. Yes, so this is equal to I into, okay, this into this here in bracket you write here A2 into bracket A2 into B3 plus C3, B3 plus C3 minus of A3 into B2 plus C2 here, B2 plus C2, bracket complete here, okay. Then minus of Z here, minus Z into A1 into bracket B3 plus C3, B3 plus C3 minus A3 into B1 plus C1. So B1 plus C1 here. So bracket complete here. Then plus K into bracket A1 into B2 plus C2, B2 plus C2 minus A2 into bracket B1 plus C1 here. So B1 plus C1. Bracket complete here. Okay, expand this determinant here. Now take A2 inside this bracket, A3 inside the bracket and solve here. Continue like that. Here, so this is equal to I into A2 B3, A2 B3 plus A2 C3, A2 C3 minus A3 B2 minus of A3 B2 minus A3 C2 minus of A3 C2. Okay. Similarly, other also. One minute. Okay. Now take A to B terms only. So therefore, this equal to I into A2 B3 minus A3 B2. Okay, take only these two terms now. A2 B3 minus of A3 B2 minus A3 B2. Next take here minus Z here. Even here also take only into B terms. A1 B3, A1 B3 minus A3 B1, A3 B1 plus then K into A1 B2, A1 B2 minus of A2 B1 here. So right here A2 B1, A2 B1. Then take your plus sign. Okay. So write all the terms in one bracket here. Okay. So this is equal to, take your flower bracket here like this. Then again into the flower bracket here. Now take A into C terms here. I into A2 C3 minus A3 C2. Then minus Z is there. So right here minus of Z. Then A1 C3 minus of A3 C1 here. A3 C1 right in the bracket here plus K into A1 C2 minus of A2 C1. So A2 C1 here. So you can write all the terms in the form of determinant here. So determinant of I, J, K, then A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. then plus, and these term can be written in the form of determinant here. So I, J, K, then A1, A2, A3, C1, C2, and C3. Okay. So this determinant is A bar cross B bar here. A bar cross of B bar. Then plus, and this determinant here. A bar cross of C bar. Okay, A bar cross of C bar. Hence, we can write here A bar cross of B bar plus C bar is equal to A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross of C bar here. So this is the true case. If either vector A bar is null vector or B bar is a null vector, then it's a cross product here. A bar plus B bar is also null vector here. Is the converse true? Justify your answer with an example here. Okay. You know that the definition of cross product here. So A bar cross of B bar is equal to modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into sine of theta into n cap here. This is the definition here. If any one vector is a null vector, if either A bar is a null vector here or B bar is also null vector here. Okay, therefore that is the modulus of A bar is a 0 or modulus of B bar is equal to 0. Then obviously A bar cross B bar is a null vector here. Because if any one vector is a 0, the determinant of A is 0, determinant of B is 0, either this is a 0, then the 0 into any term is 0, or if this is a 0, then the 0 into any term becomes 0. Hence, A bar plus B bar is a null vector here. Okay. Next question here is the converse true here. Okay. So justify your answer with the example here. Let us consider A bar is equal to 4i and B bar is equal to 5i here. Take two vectors here. Hence, modulus of A bar. Modulus of A bar is the root of this 4 square here. It is a 4 only, not equal to 0. And modulus of B bar here. Modulus of B bar is the root of this 5 square here. So again it is a 5. So this is a not equal to 0. These are non-zero vectors here. Okay. Then it's a cross product here. A bar cross of B bar is equal to 4i cross of 5i. 4 5s are 20. So 20 into I cross I. And you know that A bar cross A bar is a 0 here. Yes, I cross I becomes a 0. So 0 into any term is a 0. Therefore, here A bar cross B bar is a 0, but modulus of A bar is not equal to 0. Modulus of B bar is not equal to 0. That is A bar is a non-zero vector here. B bar is a non-zero vector. Okay, converse is not true here. Okay, hence converse is not true here. You have to write here. Therefore, converse is not trivial. Okay, just observe here. Here A bar and B bar are non-zero vectors here, but its a cross product is 0. So if A bar cross B bar is a 0, but A bar is a non-zero, B bar is also non-zero. Hence, formula is not trivial. Here A, B, C and D with the position vectors here. These are the position vectors of the 4 points of a rectangle here. Then find its area. Find the area of the rectangle here. Okay. Here A, B, C, D are what here? Vertices of a rectangle here. Okay. Therefore, first you find here AB. So AB is equal to OB minus OA. That is equal to OB minus OA. Here this vector minus this vector here. So I plus I becomes a 2I. And these two terms get cancelled. Next find your AD. The vector AD is OD minus of OA. So OD minus OA. Here minus I plus I cancels here. Minus 1 by 2z minus 1 upon 2z. It is a minus 1 by 2 minus 1 upon 2 z here. And 4k cancels, hence minus of 1 by 2 into z. Minus 1 by 2 into z. Therefore, a modulus of AB here. Hence, modulus of AB is equal to root of 2 square here. It is equal to 2 only. And a modulus of AD. So, modulus of AD is the root of minus 1 by 2 square here. Then minus becomes a plus here. So, plus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 2 square is a plus 1 by 4 here. Root of 1 by 4 is a 1 divided by 2 here. Next, you know area of the rectangle here. Area of rectangle means length into breadth here. So modulus of AB into modulus of AD here. Length into breadth here. Modulus of AB is 2. Modulus of AD is 1 upon 2 here. 2 and 2 cancels here. 1 square units here.